In the world of scientific research, groundbreaking ideas are frequently hindered by bureaucratic obstacles and the centralized control of academic publishing. Many scientists struggle not only with institutional barriers, high submission fees, and political interference, but also with a system that does not transparently or reliably recognize their contributions. Imagine a platform that functions akin to a combination of a scholarly database and an open peer-reviewed journal. This is peer. The publication is driven by community consensus, supporting a fair, democratic process in scientific publication. Peer allow researchers to publish their work either anonymously or with identifiable credentials, democratizing access to scientific communication. This feature ensures that all researchers, regardless of their institutional connections or career history, can share their findings and gain recognition. Each scientist on Peer can create a public profile, anonymous or not, which enables them to network and brand themselves within the scientific community while maintaining a clear, on-chain track record of their contributions. Our review process is openly conducted and free from personal influence or centralized editorial control, focusing solely on the quality and integrity of the research submitted. Peer also revolutionizes how research is funded. Our platform includes a funding pool that distributes resources fairly based on the merits of scientific work and the esteem of the papers, rather than opaque decision-making. With Peer, everyone can freely access our library of papers, promoting a culture of openness and continuous learning within the global scientific community. Let us now show you how Peer works, focusing first on how researchers interact with the system. To begin, researchers submit their paper through Peer's intuitive web interface. Each submission is analyzed by AI, powered by Galadriel. This integration performs a sentiment analysis to filter out junk submissions. Once the paper passes this initial AI scrutiny, it's pushed into the approval process by executing a smart contract. This is where our community-driven approach truly shines. The scientific community, equipped with talk tokens, votes on the publication. These tokens aren't just currency, they're a measure of your engagement and credibility within Peer, acquired through your contributions and previous reviews. Reviewing is conducted anonymously, removing bias and focusing solely on the quality and significance of the research. This community governance operates within a set timeframe, ensuring an efficient progression from submission to decision. When a consensus threshold is reached through these votes, the paper is either accepted or rejected, with this outcome executed by the smart contract. Both publishers and reviewers receive credit for their activity, which is prominently displayed on their public profiles. This is not only to enhance their reputation, but also enrich their professional network within the global community. Peer also features a public pool where all published papers are recorded. This database is not just a repository. It's a dynamic resource where users can browse to discover new papers, follow citation chains, and even scout talent for potential collaboration or recruitment. Funding this pool is another aspect where Peer innovates. Charities, institutions, and other entities can contribute to a smart contract fund. This fund is then distributed at regular intervals, fairly allocating resources among published works. Distribution is based not only on a fair-based financial model, but also rewards papers that are particularly successful or impactful as measured by community impact and citations, all tracked and recorded on-chain.
So reviewers get to vote every 24 hours. Consensus is calculated based on the number of upvotes and downvotes, and we compare them. The reviewers who vote in favor of the paper getting approved get review points, as well as they get paid in top ERC20 tokens. Also, original research can have their own unique tags, which act as NFTs to further fund research from charitable foundations, investors, or just by value of the tokens. This is what we're doing in the smart contract that we wrote for our program using Talk.